Best hedge trimmers comparison. Electric hedge trimmers are indispensable tools for maintaining well-manicured hedges and shrubs, offering precision and efficiency that manual tools simply can't match. Whether you're a homeowner looking to tidy up your garden or a landscaping enthusiast aiming. List number. The BLACK+DECKER BEHT350 is a compact and budget-friendly electric hedge trimmer designed for light-duty tasks. Its 17-inch dual-action hardened steel blades reduce vibration, making it more comfortable to use over extended periods. Powered by a 3.2-amp motor, it can handle branches up to 5/8 inch thick. The lightweight design, 3.9 pounds, minimizes fatigue, and the cord retention system prevents accidental unplugging during operation. With a full-length trigger and T-handle, it offers decent control for precise trimming. This model is ideal for homeowners with small to medium-sized hedges who prioritize affordability and simplicity. Performance-wise, the BEHT350 excels at trimming thinner branches and shaping hedges, but it struggles with thicker or denser foliage due to its lower power output. The lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver, but the shorter blade length limits its reach for larger hedges. User reviews praise its reliability and value for money, though some note that the corded design can be restrictive when working in larger areas. Overall, this is a solid choice for budget-conscious buyers seeking a basic trimmer for occasional use. List number. The Works WG261 is a premium cordless hedge trimmer that combines power and convenience. With a 22-inch dual-action blade and a 3/4 inch cutting capacity, it is well-suited for tackling larger hedges and thicker branches. The lightweight design, 5.5 pounds, and ergonomic D-grip handle allow for comfortable use from various angles, making it versatile for different trimming tasks. The included 20V PowerShare battery powers a range of Works tools, adding value for users who own other devices in the ecosystem. The cordless design offers unparalleled mobility, eliminating the hassle of managing cords. In terms of performance, the WG261 delivers clean and precise cuts, thanks to its dual-action blades. The vibration-absorbing overmold construction enhances user comfort during extended sessions. The battery runtime is sufficient for small to medium-sized yards, but users with larger properties may need additional batteries. While the price is on the higher side, the build quality and convenience justify the investment. This model is ideal for users seeking a cordless solution with robust cutting capabilities and ergonomic. List number. The BLACK+DECKER BEHT350 is a mid-range corded hedge trimmer that balances affordability and performance. Featuring an 18-inch dual-action blade and a 3.5 amp motor, it can handle branches up to 5/8 inches thick. The wraparound handle and lightweight design, 4.5 pounds, make it comfortable to use, while the cord retention system ensures uninterrupted operation. This model is designed for homeowners with small to medium-sized hedges who need a reliable tool for regular maintenance. During testing, the BEHT350 demonstrated consistent cutting performance, though it is best suited for lighter trimming tasks. The 18-inch blade offers slightly more reach than the BEHT350, making it more versatile for larger hedges. However, the corded design limits mobility, and users may need an extension cord for larger areas. Overall, this model provides solid value for those seeking a step up from entry-level options. List number. The Greenworks 22-inch corded hedge trimmer offers a powerful 4-amp motor and a 22-inch dual-action blade for efficient trimming. With a cutting capacity of 5/8 inches, it is suitable for most residential hedges and bushes. The innovative rotating rear handle allows for trimming at multiple angles, adding versatility to its design. At 5.72 pounds, it is slightly heavier than other models, but the ergonomic features compensate for this. The Greenworks hedge trimmer delivers precise cuts and handles dense foliage well, thanks to its robust motor. The rotating handle is particularly useful for shaping hedges and reaching difficult angles. However, the corded design and heavier weight may limit its appeal for users seeking maximum portability. This model is a great choice for homeowners who prioritize cutting performance and versatility over mobility. List 5. The BLACK+DECKER BEHT350 is a unique hedge trimmer that combines traditional trimming capabilities with a built-in saw blade for cutting branches up to 1 to 1.5 inches thick. Its 20-inch dual-action blade and 3.8 amp motor provides solid cutting performance for most residential tasks. The full wraparound handle enhances comfort and control, while the cord retention system prevents accidental unplugging. This model stands out for its versatility as the saw blade allows users to tackle thicker branches that other trimmers can't handle. However, the added functionality comes at a higher price and slightly increased weight, 5.5 pounds. The corded design may also limit mobility. This hedge trimmer is ideal for users who need a tool capable of handling both trimming and light pruning tasks.